What's going on, Skid? Wanted to share this with you guys, a faster way to vacuum your pools. This is made by WaterTech and it's called the Leaf Demon. You don't have to hook up any hoses or anything, you just hook it up to your pole and start vacuuming. It's got a propeller on it. It takes 8 AA batteries. There's an on button right here. This orange button. Turn it on, drop it into the pool, start vacuuming. This thing is sweet, man. You don't have to go slow either, you can just go right over it at a pretty fast motion. Alright, that's it, I'm all done. I love this thing, man. Now sometimes, you know, you're gonna have to occasionally pull the hose out and vacuum it real good with the hose and give it a brush just to keep algae from coming into the pool. But if you're ever busy, you know, you have those mornings where you have 3 ACs down and a leak to go look at and the pool is full of leaves, this thing will be perfect. I mean, I did this, I have a 75,000 gallon pool. And this thing does it in about 10-15 minutes. When I have to do it with the hose, it's about 45 minutes because I have to go slow. And just hooking everything up takes a little more time. That's it, man. I love it, the Leaf Demon. You see all the stuff it gets. Yeah, as you can see that tree down there, around October that thing dumps thousands of leaves into the end of the pool down there. And this thing will get them up in about 15 minutes. But you know, like I said, you'll still need to use the vacuum hose and give it a good vacuum and brush occasionally just to keep algae out of the pool, get the fine particles up. And you know, let's say you did use the hose, you got the pool nice and vacuumed, and that afternoon a storm rolled in and dumped a bunch of leaves back into the pool. Just pull the old Leaf Demon out and get them out. It won't take you long at all. So yeah, I'll leave a link to one of these in the description below. If you're interested in getting you one, you can have it delivered to your house or delivered to your property. Alright, that's it. Just wanted to share this with you guys and shoot a quick video. Thank you for watching The Dirty Maintenance Show.